When manufacturing a wheel for a customer, we got a choice to make. Do we make ease of manufacturing our primary objective? Or do we focus on the best possible product, even if it means extra effort, time, and expense? Which would you rather have at 150 miles an hour? In the world of performance wheels, a manufacturer typically receives their raw material, determines the most popular spoke patterns that are sold, then cuts a batch of wheels and puts them on the shelf. This is in fact an efficient way of manufacturing. The problem is, these wheels are pre-produced, spokes and all, before the manufacturer ever knows what vehicle they will be going on or how they will be used. When an order comes in, whether it be for a Porsche, Corvette, McLaren, or Nissan GT-R, the pre-produced wheel is then pulled off the shelf and modified to fit that vehicle by cutting the offset, hub bore, and lug pattern after the fact. This type of wheel shape and design is very common within the industry. It is designed to be modified at a later date by having a generic center section that can be machined in a final stage. With critical features already produced before the order is ever received, this type of production is efficient and more profitable for the manufacturer, but certainly does not provide the best possible product for the customer. Different vehicle platforms, tires, and modifications send energy to the rear wheels in vastly different ways. A 3,200-pound rear-engine Porsche 911 is going to load the rear differently from a front-engine 3,400-pound Corvette. And that Corvette is going to load the front differently than a mid-engine 3,000-pound McLaren modified with additional aerodynamic downforce. One option will not work for all. It's either going to be too heavy for one or not strong enough for the other. There is no pre-machining at 812. Nothing is cut before the application is specified, because our philosophy is to engineer the best possible part for our customer from the start. We have to know what our wheels will be going on and how they will be used. This unique factor is what sets 812 apart from everyone else in the industry. Every one of our wheels is developed specifically for the platform on which it will be running. Having a wheel that's modified to be mounted on a vehicle versus having a wheel engineered for a vehicle are two very different things.